Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you this avatar that I just made. This is the full spin around, and it's based off my original avatar, which you guys have already seen, right? So let's see what other seal avatars I can showcase now. I can showcase this one to you guys. It's Modelo Yuji in the hooded form. And this is Shinjuku Gojo and Yuta in Gojo's body. And the trio, which I've shown y'all, the best trio in my opinion. And this Rengoku, I said I was gonna fix the sword, but I've been working on other seals, so bye.